So I think it started for me when I was in grade 7. I was 12 years old, going on to 13.
Sometimes I feel so good about myself, but फिर मुझे वो डर होता है कि no, maybe I shouldn't because लोगों ने जो बातें कही हैं, I start believing those. Maybe they're right. हर कोई कह रहा है तो सच ही होगा, you know.
Those comments will still haunt me in my dreams, and I'll get nightmares about them.
It's like everywhere I went, I was body shamed. I had no escape.
एक ना आपको इंसान की तरह इमोशन वाले जो होते हैं ना वो फील होना ही बंद हो जाते हैं. यू जस्ट स्टार्ट फीलिंग नम. सो एट द स्टार्टिंग बिकॉज मैं मोटी हो गई थी अपेरेंटली दे स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी अ भैंस. या प्रिटी इंजीनियस आई नो.
I think it happened a lot when I was growing up, like late teens, I think, yeah. And then I started feeling insecure, more insecure of my body, and like I don't deserve to exist as an overweight person.
I think it was family for me that did it. Every time I would visit, I would hear stuff like, हमें तो कभी लगता ही नहीं था कि आप हेल्दी हो सकती हो, आप इतनी सेहतमंद हो गई हो, इतनी हेल्दी लगना शुरू हो गई हो, अब तो लगता है आपको भी कम खाने का कहना पड़ेगा.
There were also times when I used to hear people telling me that तुम तो घोड़ी बन रही हो, तुम खंबा लगती हो.
वो कितनी सुखी हो, ऐसा लग रहा है स्केलेटन है, ये देखो क्या सो वीक, ऐसी बातें कहना कि आगे लाइफ में क्या जाओगी, क्या करोगी. एंड मुझे स्पोर्ट्स का बहुत शौक होता था. अब भी स्पोर्ट्स भी बिल्कुल नहीं करती बिकॉज मुझे हर कोई कहता था आप नहीं कर सकती स्पोर्ट्स, आप बहुत वीक हो, आप स्पोर्ट्स आपके लिए नहीं है. आई वुड नॉट सर्वाइव.
Because I was on a really chubby side in my childhood, and a lot of my family members used to say that kam khaya karo, mat khao.
Was when I started university, and in my freshman year I gained about 10 kilos, and people started commenting on it.
Sometimes I'm told कि oh, you know, you should groom yourself now that you're of that age where you know शादी करनी है तो groom कर लो अपने आप को, you should work out.
तुम्हारे लिए लड़का कहाँ से मिलेगा?
It was like this never-ending roller coaster ride of horrible pain.
कि she's too weak, we don't want to be her friend, why does she look like this? Kind of saying कि I'll be more desirable to boys if I am skinnier. Then while growing up as a teen, ठीक है, you should be skinny, so you're desired more.
मेरा ना सेल्फ एस्टीम लेवल बहुत ही कम हो गया था. लाइक इवन टू जस्ट से हाई टू समवन, मतलब मुझे लगता था आई एम जस्ट गोना मेस इट अप बिकॉज एवरी सिंगल पर्सन दैट आई केम अक्रॉस वाज लाइक ओ you're not worth anything because you're fat and you don't look good.
I developed severe body dysmorphia. I wasn't eating. If I wasn't eating, then I was binging. There was no in between. And I had really bad eating habits, but I was also trying to follow any diet plan that I could. I was vomiting a lot.
It still has a very huge impact on my life till now, and it's been like 18 years.
I started being insecure about my body बहुत ज़्यादा because मैं हर जगह अपने आप को छुपाने लग गई कि अभी मुझे पता है कोई कुछ बोलेगा because हमेशा बोलते थे तो I couldn't even make friends क्योंकि मुझे यही बात का डर होता था they're going to say something and they would every single time they would say something.
Those experiences shaped how I used to think of myself back then because I was not confident in my body.
I started feeling uncomfortable in what I was wearing or how I looked, or started getting really conscious about how I appeared to others. And you know, you start disassociating from yourself or what you believe about yourself.
If I'm meeting someone after a really long time, so sometimes मेरे mind में ऐसी बात आती है कि oh, they're gonna comment on if I've gained or lost weight. So both of those kind of make me feel weird. Like
I've been on my path to recovery physically and mentally, but I don't think that my body dysmorphia has gotten any better.
You know, those kind of remarks really made me uncomfortable with my height and made me sort of reflect as if something is wrong with my height or something.
I think I would be a very social person अभी अगर मुझे लोगों ने इतना body shame ना किया होता
it's just, taken me into complete mess, but I still don't see myself in a positive light. So I haven't really been able to fully accept and love myself.
I grew up that way, thinking skinny is good. Or like I have to be skinny. I should always be working towards. I should always be on a diet. I should always be working out.
Like, I felt that I was not pretty enough, I was really fat, and a lot of that I won't get any attention from anyone.
Yeah, my own brain, my inside voice is those people telling me to lose weight constantly. Like I always feel like I need to lose weight, even though I feel content in myself.
Like, on the back of my mind, I still feel कि I'm not pretty enough, मुझे लोग ये कहेंगे, कपड़े क्या पहना हुआ है and all that.
My body image just went to ruins.
एक टाइम पे आके you just get tired. You can't take it anymore. I think the lesson that I've learned is to keep on trying and not be fixated on a certain number or a certain way. Your competition should only be you. I'm learning that I should not care what people think. It's their opinions. It's not a fact.
But the one lesson that I've probably learned during all this is that I should be thankful for my body that functions properly. Because that's a lot. And it's a blessing.
It's okay. All the processes that you go through, you need to learn how to develop a perception of yourself that is particularly different from the perception that others have of you, So that, and I would like to tell myself to be kinder to myself, that it's okay whatever people view you, that is their judgment, it has nothing to do with you.
And it's, I think, for a person to love their body is the first step towards self-love, and I think that's very important, to be strong and not listen to what people try to say to bring you down.
थोड़ा कम कर दो लोगों के बारे में सोचना. Just think about yourself and think about your happiness.